Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you like today's video. I got this really cool manicure and pedicure filing system. It makes everything so much easier. So I started off by finding the right sizes for her nails, just kind of see what fits and then lay them off to the side. It just makes everything so much easier and go so much faster. Now I am filing off gently the top layer of the nails. You just want to have a clean, fresh nail bed. You don't want it to be shiny. It just helps everything stick better. I'm using this metal cuticle scraper to push back the cuticles. I don't really like cutting them off. And now I'm taking some acetone on a lint-free wipe and just making sure the nail beds are nice and clean. I'm using a little bit of glue on the nail itself as well as on the fingernail itself, and then you just kind of hold it down, making sure it's in place, and just repeat the process on all the other nails. The nails are super long on my daughter, so I'm going to take my nail trimmer and I'm going to trim them down a bit. I'm trying to shape them. I'm not so good at this part, but I'll show you a little tip that I like to use to help. So here's my little tip. Get one of the nails, put it on top of the one you want to file, move it down to the desired length, and then just use that as a guide. This helps me out so much just to get a better shape overall, and so I don't go too wonky on one side. Now we gotta take that shine off. Yes, honey, just take that shine off all the way. You want the gel polish to be able to stick properly, so take off all the shine. Use some more acetone to wipe down the nails. Here it is. Very important you use that base and top coat. I'll link everything down below. I wanted to show you this cool UVA LED light because you do not have to slide your feet or your hands directly in there. As you can see, the bottom part comes off. It's magnetic, so you could literally place the white part right on top of your hands or right on top of your feet. No sliding, no bumping into it. It is super cool. So right here I'm applying the no wipe soak off base coat, and I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds because this is an LED, so 30 seconds it goes. This finger paints gel polish is called Don't Be So Ansel, and it's a pretty neutral pinkish, maybe a little bit peach. It has a slight little shimmer to it. It's just very pretty. Okay, so first coat is done and I'm curing it for 30 seconds, and I'm going to do a second layer of color and I will be curing that for 30 seconds as well. Now I'm applying the top coat and this will be cured for 30 seconds as well. Make sure you get the tips of the fingernails. This is called capping, just to help your mani last better. So this is the holographic powder. It's Born Pretty is the brand, and it's so pretty. It is, I mean, look at that. Just the sparkle of it. It is awesome. So this would not work on regular gel polish. You need that no wipe top coat. You just buff it on. You just rub it on with the regular applicator that it comes with, or one of those eyeshadow ones if you don't have. And that's it. Look at that. It just starts, oh my goodness, it's awesome. And don't worry about getting it on your finger, because once you seal your fingernail and you wash your hands, all the excess comes off, so it's not a biggie. I mean, let it have its moment. This is just so breathtaking. It looks awesome. I'm just applying it to both thumbs and both ring fingers, since that is what my little girl wanted. This little pot of holographic powder goes a long way. I've literally had it for over a year now, and we've done so many different types of tutorials and, you know, fun things with it, and there's just so much still left in there. Now you will seal one last time, one coat on each of the nails that you use the holographic powder on. Put it back under for the LED to cure it for 30 seconds, and that's it. You are done. It is going to stay on there. It is not coming off. It's awesome. So my little one Emma's super crafty, as you can tell by the left hand that I still have to do. She likes her nails short and easy to be able to do stuff with. But it's fun once in a while to get all glammed up and do her nails, and we always have fun together coming up with new ideas and looks for her hands. Look how pretty it is. This is the next day in natural sunlight. You can really see the way it pops. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, and if you don't already follow me, I would love to have you on board. If you want to follow me on Instagram, you can find me there as well. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you. Bye.